Good morning, everyone. I'm Ujjwal Gehlot,
I'm Ketan Singh.
and we are and today we will be introducing to a new model, Helmetium, a smart protection, a smart ride. So let's begin with why we have to develop this model and the problem statement. This includes the main goal of the helmet is the safety of the rider's head during the ride. Therefore, riding with a helmet is compulsory. While riding a two-wheeler, but many people don't wear the helmet. Data released by the Delhi Traffic Police in 2019 shows that approx 6,000 road accidents occurred in Delhi, in which approx 5,000 people were injured and approx 1,000 people lost their lives in the city. Here comes the solution.
Here is where our smart protections or smart helmet Helmetium comes in play.
A brief description about Helmetium.
Practical application. If the rider is not wearing the helmet, the vehicle will not start. This purpose is attained by checking the two conditions that helmet must be near the vehicle at least 5 to 10 meters and the distance between any object and inside of the helmet topmost area must be smaller than 2 centimeters. If the person is drunk, the vehicle will not start. This is attained by checking alcohol content BAC from a breath sample, a unique address given to the helmet, without which it will not connect vehicle and not start.
Features of a Helmetium. This includes the device also reduces the amount of steering cases. The helmet is a perfect solution as it makes compulsory to wear the helmet. Confirms that the rider is wearing the helmet. The project is expected to improve the safety and reduce accidents, especially for fighting for motorcyclists. The components include
To Arduino Uno. In the system, two Arduino Uno board is used, which is interfaced with the sensor. At one end, it is connected to the helmet, and other end, it is connected to the bike system. One ultrasonic sensor. The ultrasonic sensor uses sonar to determine distance to an object. It has high accuracy and stable readings while detecting distance. It comes with an ultrasonic transmitter and receiver modules. Two Bluetooth model. In this system, the Bluetooth model configured as master or slave in a communication pair to send and receive signals and commands between helmet and the vehicle. Jumper wires. Jumper wires are simple wires that have connector pins at each end, allowing them to be used to connect two points to each other without soldering. One alcohol sensor. Alcohol sensor implemented to detect smoke, benzene, steam, and other harmful gases. Other components. Relay, helmet, LED, 12V power supply.
the working of the model. There are mainly two different circuits having one Arduino Uno in each circuit. These Arduino Uno are used to connect the sensors to the circuits. Each circuit has a Bluetooth module in which one of them is master and another one is slave. The one connected to the helmet is master and the one connected to the vehicle is slave. By doing so, it can only connect with each other. After completing the circuit, the one with ultrasonic sensor is fitted in the helmet. Another one having relay is fit on the board, which indicates the vehicle. When the rider wears the helmet, then the ultrasonic sensor detects the distance between the head and the inside surface of the helmet. If the distance is smaller than a fixed distance, that is 2 to 5 centimeters, then it will send a signal to the other Bluetooth module. After getting the signal, the slave Bluetooth module sends the result to the microcontroller from where we get the desired output, that is whether the user is wearing the helmet or not, and then responds accordingly by completing the circuit. The code, which is feed on the Arduino microcontroller, checks whether the distance between the sensor and the user's head is less than the equal to the fixed distance. If the conditions are fulfilled, then the user can easily start the vehicle. If the rider removes the helmet, then it will send a signal that will disconnect the circuits in the vehicle and the thus vehicle stops. If the rider has consumed the alcohol in excess, then the alcohol sensor will detect and I send a signal to the slave circuit and vehicle will not start. Here comes a diagram of the working model. The circuit at the left is the of the helmet and one at the right is of the vehicle. The ultrasonic sensor is transmitting waves to detect the distance between the head surface and the helmet. The alcohol sensor is detecting the whether the rider has consumed the alcohol or not. The master Bluetooth module is connected to the circuit and sending the commands to the safe Bluetooth connected on the vehicle and a relay and a LED is fixed on the circuit of vehicle which indicates whether the rider is wearing the helmet or not. Here is the prototype of the model. All the sensors are well connected in the prototype as it should be in the real model. As you can see, this is the Arduino Uno's connected with the Bluetooth module and one connected with the vehicle. That's the ultrasonic detecting the head surface and the vehicle is starting. If it's not there, the vehicle will not start. That's our prototype. And here comes our team. I'm Ujjwal Gehlot, a student of EPS Noida.
And I am Ketan Pratap Singh, student of ABS in Noida.
Thank you. That's a model and a presentation.